front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, just tap on this little eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!